Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn essential hospital vocabulary with pictures. These words will help you understand and communicate better at the hospital. Let's make learning English easier and more fun together. Hospital. A large building where sick or injured people are treated. Example: he is in the hospital for surgery. Clinic. A small healthcare center where patients get medical care without staying overnight. Example: I went to the clinic for a checkup. Emergency room, ER. A hospital room for patients who need urgent care. Example: he was taken to the ER after the accident. Intensive care unit, ICU. A special hospital unit for very sick patients needing close monitoring. Example: the patient is still in the ICU after surgery. Operating room, OR. A hospital room where doctors perform surgeries. Example: the surgeon is preparing in the operating room. Recovery room, a room where patients rest after surgery until they wake up. Example: she is resting in the recovery room. Maternity ward, a hospital ward for women giving birth and newborn babies. Example: my sister gave birth in the maternity ward. Pediatric ward, a hospital ward for children. Example: the pediatric ward is full of children today. Outpatient department, OPD. The hospital section for patients who don't stay overnight. Example: he went to the OPD for a routine check. Inpatient ward, a hospital ward for patients who stay overnight. Example: she is staying in the inpatient ward for treatment. Waiting room, a room where patients wait before seeing a doctor. Example: the waiting room is full of people. Reception desk, the front desk where patients register and ask for information. Example: please check in at the reception desk. Pharmacy, a place where medicines are prepared and sold. Example: I need to buy medicine at the pharmacy. Laboratory, a hospital room where medical tests are done. Example: the doctor sent my blood sample to the laboratory. Radiology department, the hospital department for imaging tests like X-rays or CT scans. Example: she works in the radiology department. X-ray room, a room where patients get X-ray pictures. Example: the patient is waiting outside the X-ray room. Ultrasound room, a room where ultrasound scans are done. Example: the doctor called her into the ultrasound room. Blood bank, a place where blood is collected and stored. Example: he donated blood at the blood bank. Nurse station, an area where nurses work and monitor patients. Example: please ask the nurse at the nurse station. Cafeteria, a place in the hospital where food and drinks are served. Example: we had lunch at the hospital cafeteria. Thank you for watching. That's all for today's hospital vocabulary lesson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more English learning videos. See you next time.